guys, good morning, welcome to the vlog. It is so beautiful outside. It's 5:15 in the morning. I'm just gonna go for a little run and it's super dark outside. But yeah, I'm just gonna go for a little run really quick and we'll meet you guys when we are done. So guys, it is like 6 in the morning. Well, actually they come back from running like at 6, but it's like 6:15 and I haven't really done anything. I get so like talking to Bae is like, so I was talking to Bae and I have to shower and I wanted to show you guys my outfit before I wear it. So we're gonna go on an adventure and I bought this shirt, guys. Like, guys, I'm like that serious. These are my favorite shirts, like just plain colorful shirts, and they are for $2.88 at Walmart. And I noticed that they only put them in summer. They take them off like once fall and winter comes, and they have so many different colors and they're so soft and so comfortable and beautiful fitting. So you guys should definitely check them out. I have like literally all my shirts. If you guys see plain colorful shirts on my vlog, literally this is what I wear. But yeah, kiddo number 1 is sleeping over there and kiddo number 2 is sleeping over there. Guess who's finally up? It was so funny because Stefan was here. I went to the bathroom literally for a second. When I came back, he was there. And literally they were both still sleeping. But they are awake. And here is Sophie's clothes, Stefan's clothes. You guys need to hurry and get ready. So we are ready to go. Everyone's here. And there's a second car, because it's a lot of people. And my little Sophie didn't come here, but Stefan did. Say hi, guys. Hi. Guys, we are here in the Lake Katherine Botanic Garden. As you guys can see, it looks so pretty. I swear, nature. It's just amazing and beautiful, and just beautiful. So beautiful. There's a little waterfall right here. Stefan is I don't know where. The kids are I don't know where. It's so pretty. So nice. There's like little waterfalls over there. Tiny waterfalls, but so pretty, relaxing. Perfect for meditation. You could just hear the sounds, the water, just so relaxing. Taking a breather in. Bae and his brother, my brother-in-law, went to do some kayaking. That's what I'm calling it, kayaking, because that's what I think it is. And they took the GoPro, so he should be filming. So I'll for sure show you guys anything that he does. Have fun, Bae! That's so cool.
Okay. I'm kind of heavy, right? sorry.
My baby over there. I hope he's recording.
Wow. This feels amazing. Amazing. Wow.
Looks so nice. Could you guys see it? Oh, it flew. Oh, it flew so beautiful. Unto to baba, chiquito?
No. We're definitely gonna do 2. So next time we come, we'll do 2, and it'll be me and you, and we'll have somebody take care of the kids. So yeah, guys, what a good workout. We got 2 hours on this kayaking. Gonna enjoy them and have a good day, right? Have fun.
What is Stefan doing, chica?
Trying to look for our dad.
Yeah, because he saw his dad went into the lake, so he's looking for his dad. Oh, my stuffing. I don't know if it's just me, but all these leaves that you see right here, they're hearts. All of them. And it looks so nice. Oh, my stuffing. ¿Qué estás haciendo, chiquito? Oh, no. ¿No? Oh, no.
Esos se parecen manzanos, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Mira el asiento, ¿qué?
Sí. Look at that huge chair.
Perfect.
A white? Ah, for real. Ay, silly boy. ¿Quieres agua? Yo te doy agua, chiquito. Wait. ¿Tienes calor? Look at that cute. Oh, you finally caught it.
But there's like big, it was a big black one and I was like, I'm
Yeah?
not gonna catch it. And there was a brown one. I wanted to catch a brown one. There was green ones.
Is it focusing?
At first I caught a little one, like a little one. And it looked just like that, but it was little.
You should be very proud, because I would have never caught it. Lo que te va a enseñar Cintia, papi. Oh no. He's growing grass.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Are you there? We're trying to do a treasure. We're trying to look at the sun.
Wow. Walks are amazing. I wonder what Babe's doing. Probably having fun.
Okay, so I love turtles, and I just spotted one. Don't want to get too close because I don't want to scare it. It looks pretty big. I love turtles. Here it is.
We are having so much fun too with the kids and seeing new things and some wood carvings and some huge chairs. You guys saw that huge chair and so much nature. It's just, and it smells so good, like so good outside. All the herbs that are out there. Luckily, Sophie over there. Oh my god. Oh, es que dice blue que hay sombra. Papá, ahí está. No, ni se dio cuenta. Guys, I don't know if you noticed, but every time we go to like little road trips or like anywhere if we drive like an hour long, I always record the bridges because I love them. They look so nice. The uniqueness of it. And this one right here, and it has lights. They look so pretty. Look, see?
Where do you find that?
We beat you.
No, where do you find that book?
Ahorita, mami. Look, it's so nice. It feels so fresh here because of the water. It's actually a pretty good temperature right now. Ay, me la tiraste a mí.
¿Puedes poner aquí tu pie?
Oh, wow. Waiting to eat. Oh, they're very hungry. So this is gonna be our view for eating the lake. So windy. There's shadow, which is perfect. So guys, that was the end of the vlog. We are just gonna give our highlights of the day. So let's start with Sophie. What was the highlight of your day, chiquita?
My best day, my best time.
The best part of your day.
When I saw my dad in the boat, and I didn't know what was gonna happen to my dad.
¿Y tú, Stephen? ¿Qué te gustó de hoy? ¿Cuál fue tu favorita parte de hoy?
Boom.
¿Brom? ¿Que estabas en el carro?
Yeah.
Sí. Oh, okay.
Doing kayaking, it was a pretty cool, nice experience.
Mine was walking in nature. I just like love looking at the trees and the different
That looks
flowers.
like your hand.
The different flowers that we saw. We saw so many beautiful nature today. But yeah, we had so much fun today. We loved an adventure.
Tavion!
Papito.
Peace out.
But yeah, guys.
Subscribe down, comment below if you like this video. And my dad boating.
Okay.
Well, yeah, guys, that was the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed so much. And like Sophie said, like, comment, share, and subscribe for way more. Bye, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Boom.